Hey there, welcome back. This video is the alternate short version of the full 7-step sequence to be used during your busy day. So please watch that video first to grasp the concepts. The link is in the description. So it goes like this. The short version is steps 1, 2, and 6 of the full version. So step 1, we would say, interrupt the thoughts, interrupt the thoughts, interrupt the thoughts. Then we would move to step 2. Take a deep breath in with a smile, breathe out your worries towards step 1. Release and let go with a smile and come to a place of peace and acceptance. Now jumping to step 6, we close our eyes, breathe in with a big smile, bring in that favorite color of yours into your body, touch the thumb and forefinger together, and out loud say sentences highlighting a positive past memory using the I am, I feel statements. Now hold on to those good feelings in your mind and body, and with a smile, now say statements about your future memory. Something you're going to do today or later in the week, using some more of those I am, I feel statements. Open your eyes while holding on to those good feelings, distract, and re-engage with joy. Now for the full 7-step process, please see the link in the description. Until next time, see you then.